Anil is our bureau chief in Thiruvananthapuram reporting on this. Anil, the fuselage has broken. Ashwin, the fuselage broke into two pieces. Tell us more about that, because that is when we got the first pictures. The pictures were very, very worrying. We saw the fuselage literally ripped apart into two pieces. I was also informed that both the pilots, there were two pilots, both were grievously injured. We've now received information that one of them is no more. So for viewers who may just be joining in, Ashwin, if you can give us a ground report of when this happened. Some of the reports that I have got is that this happened around, around 7:10 p.m. What was the exact time that this happened?
The incident happened at 7:38 p.m.
7:38.
And the Karipur International Airport is a tabletop runway, and because it's on the top of a plateau, this after the flight skidded, it went down about 35 meters, and then it split. So this is the confirmed report that we have got.
Yes. Viewers, I'm also getting some spot visuals right now, which I have just passed on, and it should be available to us on screen. You should be able to see it in a few minutes. I have with me Arun Kumar of the DGCA. Arun, can you hear me, Mr. Kumar? Arun Kumar, Arnab here. What can you share right now, Mr. Kumar, from the DGCA on the crash landing of Air India Express DXB CCJ Boeing 737?
It was a flight from Dubai. It was a flight from Dubai which landed in Calicut, and it was raining. And the landing obviously was not smooth. I think they landed at high speed, and so they had skidded off the runway, and the aircraft has fallen into a valley. And then it has broken into two parts. That is the unfortunate part. The fortunate part is that it has not caught fire. So the chances of survival of people is extremely high. So hopefully there are 189 passengers on board, so hopefully we'll be able to save, and the search and rescue operation is on. There are a whole lot of people working on the site. So hopefully in an hour or so time, we should be able to retrieve everybody.
Mr. Arun Kumar, about the pilots, we were told that both had suffered grievous injuries. Can you confirm?
In fact, the front part has been hurt very badly, so that's why people are speculating, but we are not too sure.
It's not a confirmation. Okay. And the exact number of casualties, Mr. Kumar, you are saying that...
We have no clue. We have no idea, because it's all dark there. It was raining at that point of time.
Yes.
It happened an hour or so back.
Yes.
So we are still, guessing. But as search and rescue is on, let's hope we are able to retrieve as many as possible.
So the plane landed and then veered off the runway. It went off course.
Yeah, not veered, then just went off the runway. It landed at a great speed. In fact, it may not have landed at the right spot. So touchdown point, as they call it. So it might have landed mid of the runway, and therefore high speed, and therefore it has skidded.
Is this because of the weather conditions?
I guess so, because it was raining and all. So that could be the possibility. Anyway, the detailed investigation will take place, so we'll ascertain the actual reason. But nonetheless, at this point of time, this is what we understand.
Well, Mr. Kumar, I know you're busy. I'll come back and touch base with you later.
Okay.
Viewers, this is a breaking news broadcast, breaking away from our regular format today. As you are seeing these pictures, I will, in the course of the next 1 hour, try to bring you up to date with the very latest news that's coming in from Calicut. Let me share with you what I have with me so far. Ladies and gentlemen, Air India Express DXB CCJ Boeing 737 has overshot the Calicut runway. This incident has happened at 7:38 p.m. today. As you can see in the pictures there, which I have just received, some really heavy structural damage to the aircraft. The visual is on your screen. I don't want to speculate at this point. Ladies and gentlemen, this Boeing A737 has crash landed. It is the Karipur runway in Kozhikode in Kerala. The crash landing took place as the plane coming in from Dubai, its fuselage broke apart. And our reporter told us some time back that since this is a tabletop runway, landing was anyway very difficult. The only positive as of this now is that the only positive so far is that there are 191 passengers on board. The plane has not caught fire. I repeat, the plane did not catch fire, which where the casualties which have been much harder. The pictures which you are seeing, for spot visuals, are showing people with injuries, lying on the floor in what appears to be a makeshift facility on the left-hand side. Viewers, I am only telling you from the spot visuals right now. There are at least about 15 to 20 fire brigades on the spot. The rains, as you can see, are still on. There is a non-stop rescue efforts which are going on. I repeat, serious damage, serious structural damage to the plane has been incurred. The authorities have also instructed neighbors with vehicles to come to the rescue. With their vehicles, locals were also approached to not approach the crashed plane. Now, this is an indication that there are a lot of injuries and people are being taken as fast as possible to a hospital facility. We know that on the plane there was Captain Deepak Sawant, co-pilot Akhilesh with cabin crew Shilpa Katara, Akshay Pal Singh, Lalit Kumar Biswas are some of the names that we are getting. We do not have information right now. I repeat, we do not have information right now on the ground. We do not have information on casualties. There was a report of one casualty of a pilot. And there are reports that we are getting of at least 25 to 30 injuries. We cannot speculate on the extent of the injuries, but 25 to 30 injuries are reported, and a lot of cars and vehicles have come to take people to the hospital. Let's get Rhythm and Niranjan in, who will also take us through for the latest from our newsroom. Niranjan first. Niranjan.
In fact, Arnab, this was the first picture that we received, and some of the details that we have confirmed now from New Delhi, because the DGCA has just issued a statement. While we look at this picture, Arnab, what we've also learned from our reporters on the ground and in Delhi, those who are in touch with the authorities, the DGCA, is that this happened at 7:41. At 7:41, major structural damage as visible here. The cockpit, we are told, the cockpit was separated from the rest of the fuselage. Now, this is what we've been told. 184 passengers, including 174 adults and 10 infants, 6 crew members, 2 pilots. We've been told from the local media reporting that 1 pilot has succumbed. That is as per reports that 1 pilot has succumbed. 6 crew members, 2 pilots, happened at 7:41. Major structural damage. Rescue operations as we speak underway. Casualty count, we can't put a number to it, but there are heavy rains still continuing in that particular area and at the Calicut airport. And as Ashwin has been telling us, it's a tabletop runway, Air India Express flight, bringing back memories of what happened in Mangalore about 10 years ago, Arnab. So these are the details available with us. No casualty count as of now.
Thank you. Let's go back to the full frame pictures. Viewers, I'm updating you right now. The casualties should not be speculated. It's unclear. There are reports that of 1 casualty of a pilot. There was a lot of damage to the front part of the aircraft. The exact number of casualties awaited. Ambulances rushed. 38 ambulances have been rushed to the spot. The official DGCA statement, which I had some time back, said that due to visibility of 2,000 meters, heavy rain, after landing runway 10, it continued running to the end of the runway and it fell down in the valley and broke into 2 pieces. What the airport officials have said so far, the information from the airport officials as of now is that there is no fire. There are many casualties at the accident site, and the incident took place at between 7:38 and 7:41 while it was heavily raining in Calicut. Ladies and gentlemen, confirming once again, this is a Vande Bharat. It's a Vande Bharat flight coming in from Dubai. I'm getting many more clean feeds from the spot, which I'm sharing with our viewers, and this is the very latest on this story, viewers. DXB CCJ Boeing 737 overshooting the Calicut runway, heavy structural damage, and we know that DGCA Arun Kumar, President, informed us that the DGCA team are already there and investigations are going on. The DGCA team already there and investigations are going on. He told us of how darkness is making the rescue efforts harder. Let's hear.
എല്ലാ ആംബുലൻസുകളിലും തിരിച്ച ആൾക്കാരുണ്ട്. മരണം സംഭവിച്ചു എന്ന് പറയുന്ന ഒരു വാർത്ത വരുന്നുണ്ട്. അത് ഇവിടെ കിട്ടിയിരുന്നു അങ്ങനെ ഒരു വാർത്ത? മരണം സംബന്ധിച്ചോ പരിക്കേറ്റത് സംബന്ധിച്ചോ ഇവിടെ നാട്ടുകാർക്കൊന്നും
സൂചന വന്നു? 2 പേര്, പിന്നെ പൈലറ്റ്
ഒരുപാട് പേര് പരിക്കേറ്റിട്ട് ഇങ്ങോട്ടേക്ക്
പോയി.
അതാണ് വിനു ഇവിടെയുള്ളവർ പറയുന്നത്. നമുക്കിത് ദൃശ്യങ്ങളിൽ കാണാം. ഓരോ ആംബുലൻസുകളിലായി പരിക്കേറ്റവരെ അകത്തു നിന്ന് പുറത്തേക്ക് കൊണ്ടുപോകുന്നത് ഇപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് കാണാം. ഫയർ എഞ്ചിനുകൾ നിരവധി ഫയർ എഞ്ചിനുകൾ ഇതിനകത്തേക്ക് വരുന്നു.
Asianet News reporting there. We're also getting a nice, straightforward, we are getting a clear feed coming in from 24 News and Manorama News. 24 News is also there. Viewers, a tabletop runway. The runway in Karipur Airport follows a tabletop runway model and both ends lead to a very steep precipice. This type of runway creates an optical illusion which requires a very precise approach by a pilot. I'm going to get you an aviation source in just a while. This runway is one of the shortest of the 4 runways. Shortest of the 4 airports in the state. The runway length precisely is 2,700 meters, relatively very short. Currently, we do not have a number on the casualties, but what we do know is that there are 184 passengers, including 174 adults, 10 infants, and 6 crew members. 6 crew members and 2 pilots. 6 crew members, 2 pilots, 174 adults, 10 infants. We're praying for everyone's safety right now. Reports on the injured say 17 have been moved to Mercy Hospital, Condoti, 20 to Relief Hospital, Condoti, 10 to MIMS Kozhikode, and that's the information which we have right now. Helpline numbers have been issued. Viewers, helpline numbers will also be on your screen. And I'm updating you right now once again that Air India Express flight number IX1344 from Dubai to Calicut skidded off the runway. The latest information we have is that everyone's praying for the well-being of the passengers and crew. Helpline numbers on the screen, viewers. I will repeat, 056-546-3903. 056-546-3903. And I shall give you, I shall share more of the numbers in just a minute, viewers, if we can stay on. 054-309-0572. The second number 0543-090-572. And the third number, viewers, right now 0543-09-0572. And the fourth number, viewers, and it's all going to come on your screen, 054309-0575 are the numbers which we are putting on our screen to help you get more information as soon as possible.